What it do, YouTube? We're back. Hey, dropping these car vlogs like good stuff in the 80s. No re-rock though. Well, how y'all been, man? What late night snack y'all eating on? I'm about to actually go pick up food right now. I'm going to Whataburger. Man. LeBron said he releasing the decision part 2 at 12 p.m. tomorrow. Well, by the time I upload this, it's gonna be the same day, but it's gonna be before he come out. So plan is to have this at about 2 a.m. So it'll be like 10 hours when this upload is when he's supposed to make his decision. I think he's gonna retire, so I bought my ticket to the Memphis game on Halloween. He in Memphis on Halloween, I'm pulling up, man. If it's his farewell tour, I ain't mad at him. I ain't gonna lie, he probably be the one that does it right. It's not like him averaging 20 on a winning team would be good for him. Not to help him in the GOAT debate, but I feel like it'd be a good farewell. Like when Kobe did it, it was like, I'm not going to the playoffs. When Jordan did it with the Wizards, if Jordan would never came back to the Wizards, and that was on some other stuff, he got the perfect farewell tour in Chicago. If you think about it, I can't remember if he won MVP that year, but he won the finals and finals MVP. And was he the scoring champ too? Like, that's a perfect, but he ruined it by coming back. But you know, that was ownership stuff and getting their ticket sales up. So can't be too mad for him being like I don't want to call it a mascot, but yeah, publicity stunt to get sales up for a team that wasn't really doing well. But you know, Lakers is already in we're moving past LeBron with our future with Luka. And what I heard, I ain't seen a lot of the Lakers preseason, but they're not that good without Luka and LeBron. Why this car all on my? Hey man, I hate when people want to be running up all on your bumper, man. Yeah, good job slowing down. I guess they see me peek out my side mirror like, hey, why y'all all up on my bumper? It been raining past 30 minutes ago. I really wanted this to be a rainy car vlog, but it said it was supposed to rain for an hour. It rained for like 10 minutes. Then it said it's going to rain in 25 minutes. I'm like, hey, man. But, yeah, man. After this, I'm going to try to edit and upload this. And I'm so glad it don't take much editing. It's just putting little things, overlays over it. Do this and try to download it to my phone. Let it edit on the way back while I'm streaming. Let it upload. Have it out by, you feel me? As soon as the stream over with. It's crazy. Speed limit is 40. I'm going 47. And I ain't catching up to nobody. Whoever in that car can't drive. I'm just they might be drunk or something. I don't know what it is. They swerving into the turning lane and all. They driving like they racing each other. I'm in the lead. That car just moved over because they all on their bumper. I ain't moving over. I got something in here make you swerve out your lane. Hey, what did he say? But I said it have you swerving in and out your lane. Yeah. On GTA. Hey, my homie told me back in the day, he said, hey, you got a leader quote for everything in your life. I was like, man, he say so much. It's low key is what? I feel like most people's favorite rappers, it could be a quote. But between him and J. Cole, it's like a quote for everything that I got going on in my life. Not saying like my whole life is their life or their life is, you feel what I'm saying? Like, that's unrealistic. Like, you can't live everything that somebody else did because it's not going to work like it. Like, if someone say, hey, I relate to Drake, I relate to everything he say. I say, that's not possible. And you say, yes, it is. I said, so are you 25 sitting on 25 mil? If you can't say yes to that, then you can't really say you relate to everything he say. Did Jay Prince give you to Lil Wayne? You can't really relate to what he's saying right there. But to say like, oh man, majority of stuff I've been through, he got something for it. Like, when he said this, I got a flashback to like when Woo 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 happened. You feel me? Like what's called Life Story. When he said, born in Haynes Garden, by age 2 I moved out east, right off of Chevy, lived out all my life, Not Street, something like that. I said it wrong, but yeah, I lived out east all my life. I never lived in Haynes Garden. I didn't live off of Chevy. But you feel me? I played football at East Park, that's not too far from Shelby. But like, I ain't gonna say that beginning end I can't really relate to, but I have lived out east all my life. Probably one of the most dangerous streets at that time in Nashville, to be honest. lie. For the mall to be closed over here during the day, it's very busy over here. Like, it'd be like traffic. And it's like, why? Why are y'all out? I ain't gonna lie, it is a lot of food places right here in Rivergate too, though, man. Well, I like to get my polo white tees over here. TGI Max. I spent $40 on a 3-pack when you can get it for 20 something. A little something. Oh, and Whataburger ain't got a long line. Well, you about to be in and out like the other burger spot. Hey man, I appreciate y'all joining me on this ride to me going to pick up some food, man. Man, y'all got the in y'all spirit to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Also, if it ain't too much, hit the like button. And I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.